Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about converting case, upper and lower. Using the upper parentheses function, we can convert all characters to upper cases, and using the lower function, we can convert all characters to lowercase. For example, I'm having one string here called text, and it is assigned Python, and I'm using the text dot upper and parentheses and then text dot lower parentheses. So when I run this code, we see in the first example, in the first output, I'm having the Python being printed with uppercase, all of the characters, and in the second print, we see that all of the characters are printed in lower cases, because in the original example, P was written with uppercase, but in the second output, we see everything is written in lower cases. So let me illustrate with another example. So I would say Reza Shahin, for example, here, and I print the name upper. My name is the name of my variable, my name dot upper and my name dot lower. So when I run the code, we see that in the first print, everything, all of the characters are in uppercase, and in the last print, we see that all the characters are shown in lowercase. So this is basically how we can convert cases in Python. Thank you.